Alright, so we're still moving. Alright, so we are multiplying by the power, which is negative 2. Yeah, into that 3 u, and then there's this power thing which I need to bring down this. Okay, and then recall our power rule. You multiply by the power and subtract from the power, so this will be, and this will be minus 1. Okay, minus 1. Alright, so if I multiply this into that, it gives us the negative 6 into the u. Negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. So that's how we came up to this. That's how we came up to that. That's how we came up to that function. This is how we came up to that. That's how we came up to that. Okay, that's how we came up to that. And recall our rule. We said you multiply the derivative of the outer function and the derivative of the inner function. So it will be this times that, negative 6 to the power negative 3, which is the outer function, and the 2x, which is the inner function. Alright, and then recall our u. Yeah, so recall our u. So recall u is equivalent, want to replace our u. U is equivalent to x squared minus u. U is equivalent to x squared minus 3. X squared minus 3. U is equal to x squared minus 3. So we can replace this u into our final answer here. So it will be negative 6 into that. Alright, to the power negative 3. Copy, pasting here, that times 2x. So it will be negative 12x into that. Yeah, which will be negative 12x. Yeah, okay, here I put it. So anyway, I had continued with it up to this point. So if we have that, so you can multiply this 2x into the negative 6, so it will be negative 12x into x squared minus 3 to the power negative 3. Okay, so we can now take this back to the equation format. We can take this back to the equation format. We can take it back to the equation format. We can take it back to the equation format. Yeah, taking it back to the equation format is very simple. Yeah, you recall what we did, so we're just going to do the reverse of what we did. Yeah, but let's first make this, let's first compute this. It will be 2x times negative 6. It will be negative 12x. This is how the negative 12 comes in. Because someone may wonder, where is now the negative 12 coming from? Yeah, it's just a matter of multiplying that. Alright, so this is our final answer. Or this is our answer from that. This negative 2, I mean this 2x multiplied into the negative 6 to give us negative 12x. Yeah, into that. Alright, so we reverse this. Yeah, we reverse this and we put it into the fraction mode. To the fraction mode. This will be our numerator. The downer, the next function will be the denominator, but the power will change, or the sign of the power will change. Just like how it changed when we were converting it, even in this case it will convert. So it will be negative 12x divided by x squared minus 3 to the power. Now the power will be positive instead of negative. It will now be positive. So that's how we deal with such a number. Recall outer times the derivative of the outer function, the derivative of the inner function. And in this case, since the function was kind of complicated, we'll just first change its formation for easy computation, then after which you can always take it back to the original function. And then we have that example which you should try out. X, the square root of x squared plus 1. Recall, if I'm having this into the square root of this, it will be the same as x squared plus 1 into power a half. It would be the power a half. Okay, so you can go and find out how to do or how to deal with such numbers. So number 3 is yours to compute. Number 3 is yours to compute. Yeah. So now integration. Now this takes me to integration. It takes us to integration. Integration is the opposite of differentiation. Okay, so if you want to go back to the original function, like if I differentiate x squared, I'll get a 2x. Okay, that's times 2, then x, then 2 minus 1, I'll get 2x. But now if I want to move from 2x to my original function, I will integrate. Okay, so our next video is going to be on integration. Thank you.